show you that there's a right way and a wrong way to measure flour and why it makes a difference. The really wrong way to measure flour is to just scoop out a cup out of your bag, or in my case, 5-gallon can. Level off the top, and then we'll weigh it. That one's 154 grams. Does not sound very heavy, but hang around a minute. Then we're going to take our measuring cup and a spoon, and we're going to scoop flour from the container into the cup until the cup is overflow. Then we're going to take our knife, level it off again, and in this instance it weighs 136 grams. A little heavier, but better. And then we're going to, this flour I sifted. So we're going to take this sifted flour and we're going to spoon it into the cup. Until once again it's overfull. Then we're going to level it off. And then we'll weigh this. It's 124. King Arthur flour says, if you Google it, a cup of flour weighs 120 grams. So this sifted flour is the most accurate way to do it. If you do any method adds more flour than you need, your batter is going to be too dry and too dense. It'll probably also affect the flavor. So the best way to get accuracy in your cooking, baking, is to weigh your flour. These scales are pretty cheap. I got this one for, I don't know, something like $10 or something like that. And it's been around for a long time. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.